Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable and how to use the one hand keyboard in this device. So now you can see this is the basic keyboard in this device, and let me show you how to enable and use the one hand keyboard. For this, go to settings, tap on the option general, then here you can see the option keyboard. Tap on this one. Then here you can see the option one hand keyboard. Tap on this one and turn on. Now it's turned off. So if you are a left hand, then you can use the left option. So if you are right handed person, then you can use the right option. So let me enable the left. Now let me check. Open the keyboard. Now you can see the left mode is enabled. So if you are right hand person, then select the option right. Now you can see the right one hand mode keyboard is enabled. So simply in this way you can enable and use the one hand keyboard in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.